Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your health journey: weight loss success with the DASH diet. If you're looking for a sustainable way to shed those extra pounds while improving your overall well-being, you're in the right place. The DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is not just a plan for lowering blood pressure. It's also a fantastic strategy for weight loss. This diet emphasizes whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while minimizing processed foods and added sugars. By focusing on nutrient-rich options, the DASH diet helps you feel fuller longer, making it easier to manage your weight. In this video, we'll explore how the DASH diet can transform your health, not just by helping you lose weight, but also by enhancing your energy levels and overall vitality. So, if you're ready to discover a delicious and effective way to reach your weight loss goals, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets of the DASH diet together. Understanding the DASH diet. The DASH diet, or Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is a well-researched eating plan designed primarily to reduce sodium intake and promote heart health. At its core, the DASH diet encourages a balanced approach to nutrition, focusing on whole foods that are rich in essential nutrients. By limiting processed foods and added sugars, this diet helps lower blood pressure while also supporting weight loss. One of the foundational principles of the DASH diet is the emphasis on fruits and vegetables. These foods are not only low in calories, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them crucial for overall health. Incorporating a variety of colorful produce into your meals ensures you get a wide range of nutrients, which can help curb cravings and keep you satisfied. Additionally, the DASH diet promotes heart health by encouraging the consumption of lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. This balanced approach not only aids in weight loss, but also reduces the risk of heart disease. By adopting the DASH diet, you're not just making a temporary change, you're investing in a healthier, more vibrant future. Benefits of the DASH diet for weight loss. The DASH diet offers numerous benefits for those looking to achieve weight loss in a healthy and sustainable way. One of the key advantages is that it encourages healthy eating habits by promoting a balanced intake of whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This focus on nutrient-dense foods helps individuals feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and unhealthy snacking. Research has shown that the DASH diet is effective for weight management. Studies indicate that individuals following this eating plan not only lose weight, but also maintain their weight loss over time. The diet's emphasis on reducing sodium and processed foods contributes to lower calorie intake, making it easier to shed pounds without feeling deprived. Beyond weight loss, the DASH diet offers long-term health benefits. It has been linked to improved heart health, lower blood pressure, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and stroke. By adopting the DASH diet, you're not just focusing on short-term weight loss, you're also investing in a healthier lifestyle that can lead to lasting wellness and vitality. Meal planning on the DASH diet. Effective meal planning is essential for successfully following the DASH diet and achieving your weight loss goals. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that incorporates DASH-friendly foods. Focus on including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This not only ensures you get a balanced diet, but also keeps your meals exciting and flavorful. Batch cooking is another great strategy to simplify your meal prep. Set aside a few hours each week to prepare larger quantities of meals that can be easily stored and reheated. This approach saves time during busy weekdays and helps you avoid the temptation of unhealthy takeout options. Consider making soups, stews, or grain bowls that can be portioned out for quick lunches or dinners. Lastly, practice portion control and mindful eating. Pay attention to serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. Eating slowly and savoring each bite can enhance your dining experience and help prevent overeating. By implementing these meal planning tips, you'll find it easier to stick to the DASH diet and enjoy its many health benefits. Success stories and testimonials. The DASH diet has transformed the lives of many individuals seeking to lose weight and improve their health. One inspiring story comes from Sarah, who struggled with her weight for years. After adopting the DASH diet, she faced challenges like cravings for processed foods and adjusting her cooking habits. However, by focusing on meal planning and incorporating more fruits and vegetables, she not only lost 30 pounds, but also discovered a newfound love for cooking. Sarah now enjoys vibrant, healthy meals that keep her energized throughout the day. Another remarkable testimonial is from Mark, who initially found it difficult to reduce his sodium intake. He was diagnosed with high blood pressure and knew he needed to make a change. By following the DASH diet, Mark learned to read food labels and prepare meals at home. He successfully lost 25 pounds and significantly lowered his blood pressure, leading to a healthier lifestyle. These success stories highlight the challenges individuals face when starting the DASH diet, but they also showcase the incredible positive changes in health and lifestyle that can result from commitment and perseverance. With determination, anyone can achieve their weight loss goals through the DASH diet. Common challenges and solutions. Starting the DASH diet can come with its own set of challenges, but understanding these obstacles can help you navigate them effectively. One common issue is dealing with cravings for processed foods and sugary snacks. To overcome this, try to keep healthy snacks on hand, such as fresh fruits, nuts, or yogurt. This way, when cravings hit, you have nutritious options readily available. Another typical challenge is meal prep difficulties. Many people find it hard to plan and prepare meals in advance. To make this easier, consider dedicating a specific day each week for meal prep. Batch cooking and portioning meals can save time and reduce stress during busy weekdays. Additionally, using simple recipes that require minimal ingredients can help streamline the process. Staying motivated is crucial for long-term success. Joining a community or online support group can provide encouragement and accountability. Sharing your journey with others who are also following the DASH diet can inspire you and offer valuable tips. Remember, every small step counts, and with the right strategies and support, you can successfully navigate the challenges of the DASH diet and achieve your health goals. We have explored the transformative benefits of the DASH diet for weight loss. We discussed how this eating plan emphasizes whole foods, fruits, and vegetables while reducing sodium intake, making it not only effective for shedding pounds, but also for promoting overall heart health. The principles of the DASH diet encourage healthy eating habits, which can lead to sustainable weight management and improved well-being. As we've seen through inspiring success stories, commitment and consistency are key to achieving lasting results. It's important to remember that every small change you make can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. By planning your meals, overcoming challenges, and seeking support, you can successfully navigate your DASH diet journey. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from the DASH diet. Together we can inspire each other to lead healthier lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.